Hello, everyone. I come from China. I am the owner of RJ45 connector factory.
This is our RJ45 connector factory.
I will show you around my factory. This is an environmentally friendly raw material PC. This is our production process. Brand new environmentally friendly raw materials are crystal clear. This is our baking box. This is our screw machine. This is our molding injection molding machine.
RJ45 connectors are all crystal
Molding
clear. Injection molding machine. Molding abrasive tool.
This is our FTP assembler. FTP metal needs two devices to assemble. The finished product is a